This is for all my people that got into crypto because they believe that decentralization and blockchain technology could and has the potential and at some point will change the world, right? Well, this Gaia.ai, we're over here on their website, has some AI phone that they're going to be releasing, and I really just wanted to give you some information on this phone and what they have going on. Now, they do have a prototype, but they haven't showed it to the public yet. So right now we're just going off of a lot of speculation, but it's a fun story and it's interesting to get into. And I think we'll see a lot more about this coming soon. All right, so let's talk about it. What we know so far: Funding and Vision recently closed a $20 million Series A round led by Borderless Capital to support hardware development, so they're raising funds. Unlike retrofitted phones with AI apps, this device is built from AI as its core operating system, aiming for proactive, personalized interaction. A decentralized AI network, the phone will be a gateway to Gaianet, a user-governed network where individuals contribute computer and data, helping to run and shape the AI ecosystem. Of course, AI needs lots of data and information in order to really be effective. This decentralized approach aims to enhance privacy, resist censorship, and democratize AI control by shifting power from cloud giants to individual. Device details and timeline, though. Prototype is nearing completion. A public unveiling is expected soon. Hardware is rumored to be based on the Galaxy S25 Edge, enabling local AI inference without cloud reliance. Gaia Labs plans to release a limited batch of units this year, so that's bullish, marking the first tangible step for this ecosystem. Ecosystem readiness: Gaia Lab already supports more than 7,000 active nodes, delivering over 17 trillion inferences across various app, chain, and blockchain ecosystems. This is how it relates to crypto. Why are we talking about this? Because blockchain is crypto, and they find other ways to use it, but it was started in the crypto world, right? The new funding will also help scale this decentralized compute grid, improve developers' tools, and enhance Web3 integration. Why does any of this matter, though? That's what everybody's asking. Reimagining smartphone architecture. AI doesn't just assist, it becomes the device's nerve center. User-owned intelligence, that's the decentralization aspect of this. Shift from centralized data control to individual ownership and governance. That is really bullish if you're in on the tech and not just here for the price go up. Catalyst for decentralized AI. The hardware acts as a tangible proof point for Gaia's broader vision, AI driven by a global community and not just cloud providers. Yes, that is what we really want as we're moving into the future, but how fast can we have stuff like that? Is it 10, 20, 30 years away, or 4 or 5 years away from being a reality? So what are their next milestones? Of course, product reveals of the product being revealed, the prototype, details and pre-order, timing, pricing, and availability. We all want that information. Development timelines for Gaia Network, including early participation opportunities. Can we invest in it? That's what we want to know here at Underground Crypto. Suggested next steps: follow Gaia Labs official channel. If you want to know more, keep an eye out for specialized tech media and crypto outlets for hands-on insight, early reviews. Maybe somebody who's really big in the crypto space might get one of these phones to show off and review on their channel and stuff. That would be cool to look out for. And understand Gaia's protects data and handles governance. And we want to know what their protective safety measures are, because of course we're dealing with AI, which can grab tons of your personal information very fast, and we need to know that it's safe, of course. All right, guys, that's pretty much all I have to say about this. We'll go back to the website for just a moment. So real quick, over on their website, it says a living network where knowledge lives. Explore agents, start building. I'm going to go through this pretty quick. Backed by the best. We got some big names here. Do I recognize any of them? Bybit, of course. And moving on, deploy scalable decentralized AI applications in seconds. So you got Llama 3, DeepSeek, this Quinn 2.5. So these are the different agents. So it'll be meshing, it looks like, a lot of different AI together to make a really great network of AI. That's what I'm getting from this. And then if you go down, it says instantly connect to a specialized network of inference nodes. So you can run a node. Again, it said they had over 700,000. Here it says exactly 702, 543, 702,543. That is total throughputs is a lot, many billion, 19,000 billion. And domains registered 3,168. That's interesting as well. So then the Gaia ecosystem start building AI agents on Gaia today. So developers and people who are in the know of how to do these things are going to be able to build just like apps on your Apple phone or your Android phone. And here's what I really wanted to show you guys. So you can contribute your knowledge. So, and you can install a node, and I'm sure it's going to collect data, how much data and things like that. I don't know. None of this is advice for you to do it, but for those who are really crazy about seeing decentralized and blockchain technology take over the world, that Web3, you might want to do this. I can see a lot of people. I know some people that would be very bullish on that. All right, just wanted to put this on your radar. I hope that we get to take a look at these phones soon. Remember, this is related to crypto because blockchain decentralization has been the narrative that so many of us got into cryptocurrency about. All right, guys, Crypto Ron out.